Chris Cabreros, Catulfo Kyle, Chan Charles, Laborte, Morcilia Angelina. Good morning to Catulfos. Chris Kyle, Morcilia, Niña Angeline, okay, Pador is here, Pulmones is here, Torrente is here, Adolfo, is Adolfo here? Yes.
Present.
And we have Yupando and Lopez. I think Laborte was here. Ano mo siya? Okay, I think we can start now. Are you ready? Please turn on your camera. Everybody want to see. Please turn on your cameras. About the others. Okay. Connie, Remy, Anthony, Tyrell, good. Ray, okay. Now, welcome to our first class. This is IT 326, Capstone Project 1, and CS 325, CS Thesis 1, Orientation. Please get ready. Nanong dili man mo on inyong camera? Please, kadungog ra mo. Okay ra ako ang audio, good. Now, so a thesis is required for BSCS or computer science, while capstone project is required for BSIT. Take note ha, again, thesis is required for BSCS, while capstone project is required for IT. So kung mo ana gani og computer science thesis na siya, for BSIT ang tawag ana niya is capstone project. Both function as terminal project requirements that would not only demonstrate a student's comprehensive knowledge of the area of study and research methods used, but also allow them to apply the concepts and methods to a specific problem in their area of specialization. Let's go to thesis. Thesis gani, Thesis, singular na siya. Mo na ginitag plural ana is thesis. That is Theses. Okay? So a thesis is a technical report on a systematic investigation of a problem that can be solved using computing. It may include a solution, an approximate or partial solution, a scientific investigation, or the development of results leading to the solution of the problem. A computer science thesis must be anchored on computer science principles, which you learn since first year, second year, third year. Let's go to Capstone project. A capstone project is an undertaking appropriate to a professional field. It should significantly address an existing problem or need. Basaw na ko balik ha. A capstone project is an undertaking appropriate to a professional field. It should significantly address an existing problem or need. An information technology capstone project focuses on the infrastructure, application, or processes involved in introducing a computing solution to a problem. What are the scope of thesis and capstone project? The thesis or capstone project should integrate the different courses, knowledge, and competencies learned in the curriculum. Students are encouraged to produce innovative results. You are expected to produce innovative results, generate new knowledge or theories, or explore new frontiers of knowledge or application areas. For computer science, thesis, kining thesis, plural ni ha, thesis involving the development of the software systems should involve algorithm-based research and development founded on computer science principles. This should be reflected in the final report. For information technology capstone projects, recommended infrastructure and its implications on other systems should be clearly specified in the final report with the introduction of the project. Now, thesis capstone projects are professionally focused, real-world team projects normally completed in your final year of study. Wait, let me record this one. I'm recording this. Okay. Now, projects may be externally sourced industry or community projects, competitions, research-based projects, or internally developed projects. No matter what your project, you'll work in a team or preferred individual to develop solutions for a real issue. It's a chance to identify your personal strengths and develop the skills you need once you graduate and enter the workforce or workplace. You could find yourself working with real-world employers, opening up networking and employment opportunities after your studies. Now, what are the inclusions of the capstone project or thesis? Project proposal, feasibility studies, intellectual property, teamwork, kung duha mo, budget, schedule, management, professional communications, because you will do reporting and presentations, planning, designing, implementation, deployment, and testing. What are the objectives of Capstone project? It is bringing together and integrating knowledge and skills in the course as a whole. So meaning what you've learned since from the beginning up to the end, up to now, you are going to integrate all your knowledge and your skills in this course. Reinforcing and developing competencies that have not been sufficiently emphasized in your fundamental subject, and defining a substantial engineering study or design task and carrying it to completion within a specified time and to a professional standard. Again, I would like to emphasize a specified time because we are time bound. We are not going to do capstone forever. Okay? Duha ni kabuok, Capstone 1 and Capstone 2, Thesis 1 and Thesis 2. For Thesis 1, this is this semester. If you successfully pass Thesis 1 or Capstone 1, then we'll proceed to Capstone 1, Capstone 2, or Thesis 2. Next is completing a comprehensive written and bound report that places the project in context, defines its objectives, and describes the work done and the resulting conclusion or recommendations. Bridging the gap between your undergraduate studies and your professional future and demonstrating professional competencies and capabilities. Now, dinhi makitaan kung unsa ka mo trabaho because this is going to prepare you in real life scenarios right after you graduate. And demonstrating initiative and creativity and taking pride in the achievement of a very difficult task. What is the USPF research agenda? The UNESCO World Declaration on Higher Education for the 21st Century acknowledges that knowledge creation, transmission, and application are the lifeblood of the knowledge-based economy, and higher education institutions are among the primary entities tasked to generate, transmit, disseminate, and apply knowledge. With a vision to become a 21st century transformative learning environment of global lifelong learners, USPF adheres to the Commission on Higher Education National Higher Education Research Agenda, or NERA, through multidisciplinary, multisectoral research themes. What are the suggested areas for thesis? 1. Current computer science topics. Nina and Lopez, are you still there? Please acknowledge.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right here.
Good. Now, these are your suggested areas for thesis. Current computer science topics. You can explore on software development and theory, mobile computing systems, software extensions or plugins, expert systems and decision support systems, system software, system software tools, utilities, interpreters, simulators, compilers, security aspects, among others. You can deal also with intelligent systems, game development, which uh, the previous CS thesis researchers have done, like Christian Panoncillo and Alvin Hinirali. They've done game development, or you may look into computer vision. Another area is another area on current computer science topics are image signal processing. You can talk also about natural language processing, NLP, pattern recognition and data mining, bioinformatics, graphics applications, cloud computing, parallel computing, embedded systems, or emerging technologies. You can also talk about foundations of computer science. You can talk on automata and formal languages, data structures and algorithm design and analysis, web semantics, coding theory, programming languages, visualization systems, computer and architecture, modeling and simulation. So just pick one. And also you can human computer interaction, its usability, effective computing, or empathic computing. Now, what are the suggested areas for capstone projects? Please listen. Capstone students, Torrente, Pador, Adolfo, Jandayod Catulpos, Morcilia, Laborte, and Pulmones. Are you still with me? Acknowledge?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we have software customization, information system development for an actual client. This is with pilot testing. Web applications development with at least alpha testing on live servers, or mobile computing systems. Okay. And you can also do multimedia systems such as game development, e-learning systems, interactive systems, information kiosks. You can also deal with network design and implementation and server farm configuration and management, IT management, IT strategic plan for sufficiently complex enterprises, IT security analysis, planning, and implementation. What are the phases of Thesis Capstone project? Here, pre-proposal stage, proposal stage, pre-final oral defense stage, and the final oral defense stage. The first two, pre-proposal stage and the proposal stage, mo ni siya karon ato ang gihimo, IT 326 and CS 325. Next semester, if you completed these pre pre-proposal and proposal stages, if you successfully completed this one, pass this one, you will proceed to IT 415 or CS 415. Do you follow? Now, let's talk again. Pre-proposal stage, pre-final oral defense, and final oral defense stage. Let's go to pre-proposal stage. Moni ang karon ha. The pre-proposal stage. Course enrollment. Check. Ka-enroll na tanan. Good. Thesis Capstone project orientation. Mao na siya karon. Do you follow? Moni, this is what we are doing now. Then short listing of possible projects. That is what you are going to do next. I'll be giving you templates on this. Title critiquing after finalizing your project, your chosen capstone project or thesis title. Then pre-proposal statement preparation. Then we will do title hearing. Okay? Kung sakto ba na ang imuhang title or imuhang topic nga gipili. Okay? Natay title hearing ana. Then submission of project proposal working title form. Okay? Now, next, kung okay na gani ang imuhang title gani og na-approve na imong title, then let's go to the proposal stage. It talks about chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, but planning and design only. Then proposal hearing. Okay? Then right after that, manuscript revision and submission. Now, for the pre-final oral defense, development and implementation. Asa na ganing pre-final oral defense stage? Karon ning SEM or next SEM?
Next sem, sir.
Next SEM. So, therefore, karon di ay nga SEM di ay class, ang inyong himuon lang is to solidify your studies. Okay? Ang katong formation ana, the planning, the concept, the ideas, karon siya nga SEM. Dili pa nimo ni i-develop, dili pa nimo i-implement. Kay wala pa man ni na-approve. Right after ma-approve ang imuhang study, that's the time you are going to develop. That's the time you are going to implement. So, ang development and implementation of the project would be next SEM. Kung kana, if makapasar mo butan ka lang. Next. Deployment. Okay. Testing. System prototyping. And final oral defense preparation. Okay. So, okay na ning pre-final oral defense stage. Pre means, unsa ka na ng pre? Dili libre ha? What is pre? Ang opposite ana sa pre kay post. What does pre means?
Before.
Before. Okay? Before or final oral defense. Now, so before final, so this stage is the final oral defense. Final oral defense proper. We have individual skills tests. Okay, ang uban, this individual skills test would check kung ikaw ba jud ang naghimo sa imuhang project. naghimo sa imuhang software. So we will be testing uh, gubuna mo ang imuhang system, then in a given period of time i-check na to kung kanang makapadagan ba ka sa katong nga system. Okay? Kay I've heard from other big universities, mupalit sila og system or somebody else will make their system, which is not allowed, not permitted sa USPF CCS or while I'm still here. Then acceptance testing, then public presentation where you are going to present it in a public forum, then final manuscript revision, then final requirement submission, which is also in IEEE. This is for publication. Okay? Now, what are your duties and responsibilities? Keep informed of the Capstone project, thesis, guidelines, and policies. Keep informed of the schedule of research, Capstone project activities, required deliverables, and deadlines posted by your advisor and your dean. Submit on time all deliverables specified. Deliverables means ang katong mga required nga mga documents nga imong i-deliver, imong i-submit, imong i-process, imong i-pass. Submit on time all deliverables specified in this document as well as those to be specified by the advisor and the dean. Submit on time all requirements identified by the Capstone Project Oral Defense Panel during the oral defense. Submit on time ha, on time the requirements identified by the advisor throughout the duration of the Capstone project. Schedule regular meetings at least once a month with the advisor. At least once a month. Throughout the duration of the Capstone project, the meetings serve as a venue for the proponent to report the progress of their work as well as raise any issues or concerns. Schedule regular meetings with the dean at least once in a semester. Kung ang dean dili ninyo teacher, nya ako may teacher ninyo, so multiple every week na mag-meet throughout the duration of the Capstone project. Submit on time the requirements. Ano to? Balik. Okay. Now, the grading system. This is how you will be graded. This is how you will be graded. Average grade of the panel members, including the chairman, 60%. Your advisor of the research, Capstone project or group, 30%. Then, kung na kay partner, that is automatically kanang ang partner nimo mo grade nimo 10%. Ikaw pod mo grade po ka sa imong partner and that is 10%. So 100%. This 60%, kining 100% maon ni ang imuhang individual grade. Okay? So maglain-lain ninyo hang grade ani, okay? But this 60% is the average grade of the panel member, including the chairman. And automatically, as your dean and as your thesis and capstone project instructor, you will, I'll be your chairman for the panel members. So, 60%. So, maglingkod na dito na mga panel, ingana, nya pagkahuman mo kwanta dito kung unsay pilay kung pila ang average grade ninyo sa panel, okay, which is 60%. Now, this is crucial. Why? Because there will be 3 possible verdicts after the proposal hearing. The verdict is a unanimous decision among 3 members of the Thesis Capstone Project Oral Defense Panel. Once issued, it is final and irrevocable. Dili na niya siya mabali-bali, okay? Kumuha na ang panel nga pasar-pasar, kumuha na ang panel nga kwan, so mo siya ang possible verdicts. 1. Approved. Okay? Wait. Approved minor revisions are necessary, but they do not have to be presented in front of and checked by all panelists. By the way, this is not 35 to 40, sorry. This is, okay, 60% man to, no? This is 50 to 60. Wait, hold on. Kadali lang. Let me have this one. Okay. Can you see the screen again? Yes? Good. Now, here. Okay, 60 man to, no? Sa group, again, balik ta ha, kining 60. This one. Okay. This one, 60%. Sa one ha, for the group. Approved siya, okay, with minor revisions if your if the average score of the panel is between 50 to 60, approved din siya, okay, with minor revisions. If your score is between 30 to 49, approved with revisions. Now take note, akong gipaubos ang 30 ha, so meaning 60% yeah, divided by 2 or 50% of the 60% is 30. So 50%, at least 50%, approved with major revisions din siya. Okay, shall be incorporated in the final copy of the revised project proposal summary. Now, and disapproved kung ang imuhang score sa panel is below okay. Then group name, then what is your group name? If you have, kung individual ka, imuhang last name lang. Student, last name, first name, ayaw i-change ha, this is Calibre 11. Ayaw i-change. May follow? Then have your mobile number and email address. Your email address should be uspf.edu.ph. Then, proposed title. Title 1, Title 2, Title 3. Tulo ka book ha, inyohang i-propose. Okay? Now, next. Pre-proposal statement form. So for every title, this is title number 1, proposed project title. Title number 1, write your title here. Okay? So tulo man to. Tulo sad kabuk inyong himuon ani. Okay? Scope of the study, limitations of the study, then project design development plan. What is the program specification? What is your software specification and hardware specification? Please go over again in your systems analysis and design stages. Then right after that, this form number 3 is your project working title form. Okay? Write your title here. Okay? Name of your advisor. write your title, your approved title based on the katong title hearing na schedule. Kano sa ganito ato ang title hearing? Kinsay naka-remember? February?
Fourth.
9.
Okay, very good. Now, then, recommending approval by your advisor, then, noted by the program research coordinator, we have Sir Kataraha and approved by me, okay, as your dean and Juan, as your dean and your thesis capstone instructor. This research report. Okay. So, kung okay na gani niya, you have your format already. Okay? Then, tagaan mo nako og form number 4, the proposal hearing notice form. Kanusa, asa ang venue, kinsa ang panel of members, approved, and so on. Okay? So, kana. I'll be sending it to you. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you form 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Adolfo. Adolfo, be sure you are using this CCS Juan, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cabreros. Where's Cabreros? Eva, are you there?
Wala siya, sir.
Asa man ni siya?
Wala.
Okay. Please tell them, Cabreros.
Okay, sir.
Tulpos, Kyle. Tulpos. Ano? Atul. Okay. Jandayad. Jandayad, are you using this email, ha? We have John Charles. Laborte. Marsilia. Ador. Ador here? Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good.
Sir.
Pulmonis, Remy. Torrente. Then we have Lopez. Then Ninya Yupando. Okay. Okay. Now, ang kuan na class, ang buhaton na ninyo is ikasan ako ana no. Pag send ganit nako ana, mo ana mo nga thank you sir, sir receive nga na kasabot. Okay? Wala mo kasabot. Okay. Now, let's ask. Adolfo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na kay partner, ang kwan composition aniha, it's either duha mo kabok or ikaw ra isa. Nya, kinsay probable nimo nga advisor?
Si Laborty ako partner, sir.
Laborte? Where's Laborte?
Yes, sir.
Aware ka nga partner mong duha?
Oh, sir.
Kinsa may inyohang kwan? Kinsa may inyohang kanang probable advisor nga pilion? Tagaan ta mo og kwanhan? Tagaan ta mo og kanang freedom kung kinsa inyohang advisor. Kanang maka-work mo. By the way, natay duha ka buok nga bag-o karon, which I'm very excited and I'm happy kanang nga naa sila, and they are highly qualified. They have masters. Si Sir Dian Cataraha, masters in IT to siya, og si Sir Rusty Dimisilio, masters in computer science to siya. So they have more than 10 years of teaching and developing systems in their respective areas of specialization. I would suggest some of you would select them, especially sa CS ni Leopando o ni who's this? Leopando and AJ to choose Sir Rusty. Okay, siya may kuha na to sa computer science. Okay, but you have the choices. Okay, sige, Adolfo and Laborte, kinsa inyong pilion?
Sir, sa pagkakaroon, sir, kay wala pa mi nakahunahon na, sir.
Pag una na mo karon ha, I need the answers later today.
Yes, sir.
I-chat dito sa to ang kwan niya. Speaking of chat ba, kana gani mag-chat gani ko. Ayaw ninyo isinsin. Nansinson manoong ko, minatay. Anak mo, or bisag like lang, heart lang, anak. Or sad, or kilak-kilak. Basta nakakuan nga ni basa mo. Okay? Or yes sir, acknowledge sir, thank you sir. Anak. Si Cabreros, wala si Cabreros. Katolpos Kyle. Ikaw ra isa or nakay partner?
Isa pa ko partner, sir.
Cabreros is here. Cabreros, kinsay mong partner? And why are you late? Like very late. Eva? Basig si Eva ni. Murag nato espiya. Eva? Wala. Amang nas Eva day. Okay. Katulpos Kyle, mangita pa kag partner. Kung wa kay makita nga stricta kay Eva, me left the group man. Kyle,
Sir.
kung wala kay makita ang partner, ikaw ra isa, ha?
Until when, guys, sir? February 4th?
Dili, until today. Ang composition. Nya, katulpos John Dayod. Ikaw ra isa dong?
Oh, sir.
Okay, good. Where's Chan? Laborte? Kauban man
Sir.
mo ano? Morcilla ninya. Asam to Morcilla? Left the group man sad to. Nen? Angelina?
Kami, sir, ni Angelina.
Okay. So, kamong duha,
Yes, sir.
Torrente o Angelina. Okay. Pulmones, Remy?
Sir, mangita pa akong partner na, sir.
I cannot hear you.
Mangita pa akong kuan, sir, nga partner.
Sige. Asa man ka mangita kay Kwan? Na curious ko. Sa Google? At sige, ipagsabot na mo daan ha. Nya dayon, we have here John dayon katulpos. Lag na sila sir basta ting-uwan. Asa man day mo nag-uwan di ay? Kainit. Lain-lain day tag clouds today. Okay. Leopando and Lopez?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Lami ra ang bedroom boys, Lopez, no? Kinsa may imong partner? Na may
Yes,
partner
yes,
or
sir.
mag-individual mong duha, Leopando and Lopez?
Agad ako 80, sir.
Ha? Dili mag-agad-agad kay money kwan. Daghan na kaayo, you can talk to the people nga nahuman sa Thesis and Capstone project last sem. I-check kung mag-individual mo or mag-group mo. Now, kung magkasinabot mong duha, well and good. Kung dili gani lain gani mo o kanang kwan dili mo close, no problem pag individual mo para way labad para ang to blame is you only. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sige. Now, I am entertaining questions now. Ay, nag-uwan sa Talamban? Okay. Sige, walay question. Now, sir, kanang kusog na taligsik. Kung kusog na siya nga taligsik, katulpos uwan na siya.
Pero ako sir, ako question sir.
Sige, pila ka bok?
Kuhan, sarang guro.
Sige, go.
Huwag ka ng puhon ba? May lawas ba? Kalayang ginoo. Ma-approve. Ini ka sugod pa sa sikanse magsugod og himo or pwede ra
Actually, magsugod na mo karon. Ang gi-point out lang nako kanang para dili kay mo ma-stress kay I know stress na mo pag enroll pa lang daan og Capstone stress na mo. Ang ako ang point lang dili mag-goal nga i-implement karon nga sem kay dili man implementation this sem. Pero next semester, whether you like it or you like it, i-implement na nato na. So, it is advisable John Diod, which is good thing that you brought it up, nga kanang maghimo na mo karon. Pero right after na sa inyong documentation, kay para mapurma daan ba, dili mo nga purmahon ninyo daan di purmahon ninyo daan nya magkuan mo singan ani pormahon sa ninyo maghimo mo niya pormahon ninyo daan dili mag pormahon sa ninyo ang katong ideas then the time nga maghimo mo as per procedure na to. So let's have okay ra John Dayan.
okay na sir. Thank you.
Okay, now Can you see my screen?
Oh, sir, kita na, sir.
Good. Now, you can type there Capstone project topics for information technology. Okay. You can select here and okay, good. There. So Capstone project ideas for information technologies. List of the best Capstone project ideas for information technology. So naa sila din he. Check. POS application, card reader. Ang uban obsolete na din siya, ang uban dili sad. So mangita taglain. This one, let's check this one. Mo ay man yung mga buang ginegosyo man nila. Android-based electronic board, basic things about network, car transportation system benefits, Sidula mobile app, cloud, coin loading machine, complex clinical data merging management and presentation, and so on. Pwede na din he, okay, you can check, i-google lang, and you can have a good number of researches nga feel nimo o confident nimo nga ma topic, okay? Okay, a new hybrid technique for data encryption. This is good for computer science topic. Advanced intelligent tourist guide. AI desktop partner. This is good also. And kay bawa mong Android or Apple no, you can check this one. Android battery saver system, Android blood bank, daghan ni siya. Android Bluetooth chat, pwede gihapon. But who are using Bluetooth now? Android voting system. Okay. Cloud-based online loading machine. Crime rate prediction using K-means. This is for computer science. So, daghan siya. Okay? Select lang dito. Pero natoy, asa ganito, ha? Kadali lang. Okay, let's try this online catering reservation. Okay, so nan siya yung sample. Yeah. This system allows customer to reserve catering services online using PHP MySQL. Features of the online catering system allows customer to reserve catering services online, manage reservation, manage food packages, manage menus, provide summary of reservation. Customer can track reservation using a 10-character unique code, and so on. Okay, why not? This one is good. Kung si title nila, Online Catering Reservation System. Okay? Nanay kuan din ho. Kung sa sud nila. Okay? And we can also have kung sa tayo nanawag dahil, Ma'am Jo? Okay. Thank you. So, we can check. Nya, kung mupili mo og advisor kanang kuan ha, kanang kung magkuan mo naa, okay, kanang magkasinabot mo ha, kanang kanang dili mo maglabad. Ito naman to. Actually, nara din sa internet class ang katong kuan, katong mga ideas you can check. Computer science thesis title topic. Okay, so na din he. Thesis topics in data mining. You can also talk on Internet of Things or big data and cloud computing. Okay? Nya, check lang sa kung say kuan ninyo, kung say what is this? Unsay ganahan ninyo or unsay confident mo nga mahimo ninyo. Let's try to check with initially unsa may ganahan nga topic ninya. Leopando Lopez, what possible topic you would like to deal?
Thinking.
Again?
Thinking pa, sir.
We don't have one, so yes, we're thinking it through.
Yeah, i-message ko niya dayon, we'll talk it over. I'm going to call you. Kung dili ko busy, I'm going to try to, busy ko, I'm going to try to call you and let's talk about your topic. About Adolfo and Laborte. Na naman initial topics. Yung sa may na initial topic para
Kuan sir, same Japon sir, huna-huna kami sir.
Oh, pag huna-huna na mo ron ha, ayaw mo kumpiyansa kay ang panahon dali ka kaayo, tuganan ta mo. The next
Yes, sir.
thing you know, nakaswerte lang ang katong last semester kay ngano nagka-pandemic niya, nag-move ang katong number of months.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Katulpos Kyle, John Dayod,
Sir,
yeah, unsa may kuan ninyo?
ako sir, kanang self-order ba sa parang restaurants or diners ba nga na.
Expound.
Sa
Is it
everyday-
Android?
Oh.
Android, iPhone, mobile na siya.
Android sir.
Okay.
Tablet mainly.
Yeah.
Every table na tablet, so ato ra mo order. Then reflect sa kwan sa system for preparation. Ako lang
So
yung aim.
unsa man siya kanang waiterless nga kwan, wala na waiter mo diretso.
Na Japon. Or pwede ra sa priority number na lang lahos siguro after finalizing sa order kay na mo buta lang priority number sa tab, then mo reflect sa murag TV lang i-display sa restaurants. Then dito ra mag-reflect if serving or preparing nga na. Then once na serving na ang katong nag-order, sila na lang guro mo diretso sa counter. Kuha sa order sila na.
Now, you need to take note dyan dayod ha, and the rest nga dili ingon nga number one, dili ingon nga i-computerize ta na mauna na siya or nindot na siya. Okay, say for example, kung ang restaurant ang capacity niya 5 ka buok, 5 ra ka customers ang capacity niya, para nako dili na siya kinahanglan mag online ta or mag mobile Android application ta. 5 ra na ka buok. Di ba?
Kailan tako.
Kung example, kung nagani kay sari-sari store nya pipilaran ng imuhang kuan na, pipilaran ng imuhang product di baligya, mag POS system pa ka, point of sale pa ka, mag computerize pa ka, mo ana pa ka ayo papalita ko og kuan suka o kadali lang o kuha kang suka niya, mag barcode ka chuchuk anak ka dili not unless kung 7-Eleven ka or dako kang convenience store na magkuha na ka, magdagdagan na kay imong inventory that time nga mag computerize ka kay dili ingon nga i-computerize nato mao na siya. Kay ang uban mas nindot nga i-manual or ang uban mas nindot nga i-Excel na lang, mas dali pa. You get diode. And number 2 diode is this. You need to take note nga ang kanang imong gihunahuna nga system karon dili na siya nag-inusara nga system. Daghan na siya. I happen to actually I used to eat sa TGI Fridays. Nya na sila'y datong iPad nya dito ko mo pili sa akong order. Now, if that system already exists, what's the difference? You need to ask, what's the difference between your proposed system and the current system? Kasabot. John,
Yes, sir.
oh, you need to check nya, be sure nga mas nindot pa ang imuha. Kay kung dili gan nindot ang imuha, ayaw na lang. Kato na lang ang existing. Kay you did not add additional knowledge to the you did not add additional input into the body of knowledge. Kakuha. Did you get my point, Dayon?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you need to think outside of the box. It should be more innovative nga magamit sa society, which is good, which is relevant today. Nya dayon which is makatabang sa kwan sa society in general. Okay? How about, do you have other idea, John? So that is why mo pili mo og tulo, mo select mo tulo. Okay? Mo propose mo tulo. Out of the 3 titles, ato tanang i-check nya day magpili ta unsay the best sa tulo nga inyong gi-propose. Okay? Nya i-depend to ninyo. Do you have other suggestions, John?
Sa dire, sa amo sa amo lugar ba?
Oh,
Kuan kanang agas gani sa tubig, tracer ba? Ang tracker lang ba? When possible mo agas, when time ba time. Kay random raman gud nya isa di stock og tubig.
okay, so unsa may kwan na to ana? Unsa man pag-track automatically sa system or mag-input pa. Nya kung dili ma-input kay natugsad ang katong tigbantay, then the system fails.
Feel out sa ay pa-connect paguro sa kuan sa supplier
Meter?
sa tubig diri ba? Or
Oh. Now, kung ipa-connect na nimo, you need to get legal permission sa MCWD. Kay otherwise makihataan na og kanang tapping.
lagi.
So, then therefore, dili di ay tanan di ay nga mga topics and researches pwede na to mahilabtan dayon-dayon kay naay legal ethical impediments or issues.
Bayad na sir.
Ha? Dili magsabot jud mo sa katong say for example kung mag-tap ka sa MCWD din mangutana ka kung unsay possibility unsay legal implications ana. Pwede ba ka ana unsay kwan, at least they will give you ideas also. Para ang kahuman ba ang point din ikinig kahuman para sa atong one group last semester they had barangay kamagayan application sa barangay nila about information system, money kini. Then nagtap sila dito sa barangay council itself. Did you get my point?
Oh, sir. Oh, sir.
Oh. Do you mao to siya akong giingon ninyo nga katong during the presentation I've been inviting you sa ilahang public oral defense para namoy broad idea nya di man jud mo musod, di man jud mo enter kapoy kay invite wala didmatology para makakita mo kung giunsa pag question sa mga panel nila para dili mo magkanga-kanga kay they are trained more than 1 year